Everyone, so today we're going to be doing an orange volcano. So I'm going to show you what you need. Go get your goodies, wash your hands and come back. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need is a half a cup of vinegar, some water, you need a hollowed out orange. I'm doing mine on a yogurt tub so you can see it nicely. You need a bowl to catch all the mess, some dishwashing soap, a tablespoon measurer and some bicarbonate of soda. Alright, quick sticks, go get your things and I'll see you now. Fantastic. So what we're going to do is we're going to first pour our dry stuff. So you're going to take a tablespoon, just 1 tablespoon of bicarb and pour it into the orange. I don't quite have a tablespoon, so I'm just going to use some more. There we go. Into the orange we go. Then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of your dishwashing soap. A little more. There we go. And that goes. I think this might be quite messy, but that's good. It's a good experiment. Then you need 2 tablespoons of water. So I've got 1 and 2. Okay. Then you need to very carefully add your vinegar. I'm going to move it closer so you can see. Can you see it erupting? Look at all the mess at the bottom here. It's a good thing I had a bowl. And there you go. You have your orange volcano. You can see it's filled up almost the whole bowl. And it's still coming over the edge. Can you see that? I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please let me know how your volcanoes work. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!